You got a deal. Hold up your team.
Thank you. We did in fact come to South Africa and get Asian food. Welcome to culture. Come to Texas.
I'll put that in your thing.
Wow.
I remind you of him.
Aww. I'm gonna cry right now. Hey y'all.
Hi.
Okay, Aman, where are we?
We're at the Victoria Mall in Cape Town. I like what you're wearing right now.
I know, but it's only monotone.
10 screenshots and I buy this.
Alright, doesn't look like crap, right? Cool, we're solid.
Good morning, everyone. Today is day 2 in Cape Town, South Africa. It is apparently 6:20 in the morning. I slept so bad. I have to tell y'all about my night last night. Today I have a field class, which is why I am on the boat right now. My roommate, along with all of my other friends, are already at the Airbnb. They did not have to stay on the boat. But if you do have a field class, those are mandatory. They are 20% of your grade. And if you miss them, you also get dock time, which means that you don't get to get off in the next country. So they take it very, very seriously. You have to spend the night on the boat the night before your field class. So that's me. I just chilled last night, you know, it was cool. We're at the V&A waterfront right now. The whole 12-day stretch that we were at sea, I was craving sushi the whole time. We're gonna be in 3 countries in Asia, so I will definitely get my fill. Today's whole day is gonna be spent with my individual and family development class. This is gonna be a really interesting day because depending on what your class is, that shapes the itinerary for what your field class is gonna look like within each country. So some of my friends are going on safaris for theirs or kayaking with penguins. And although that does sound fun, I am really excited to get into the roots and the history of Cape Town, South Africa. I already know that today is going to be a really memorable day. I have to meet downstairs with my class in 5 minutes, so I'm going to head there right now. I don't know what all I can film, so I'm just going to be doing a montage. I'll probably just be getting little clips. The first part on our itinerary was visiting the Wandel Migrant Labor Museum. This museum was extremely interesting. Although this museum wasn't your typical museum that you would think of, it was less showy, more informational. We were taken into Hostel 33, which was just a huge reminder of the suffering that people went through under the apartheid policies and the cheap labor system in South Africa. This next clip shows what a typical bathroom looked right outside of the hostel. Everybody kind of uses clicking sounds integrated into their language. We actually learned basic conversations, which I think is really immersive. We also practiced putting buckets on our heads and walking in a line, and then they had us play soccer, which was really fun. It's beautiful to see though how close this whole community is. Good morning! Good morning, everyone. It's day 3 in South Africa. We missed our safari. Oh, and now we're going to Boulders Beach and we're gonna go see the penguins today. I'm so excited. Kylie's doing her makeup in the car right now. You know, just girl things. I'm getting this one. We're both getting the one with like the collage. Yeah. Coffee o'clock. It's really, really hot here. It's been so long since I've had a proper coffee because the coffee on the ship is so bad. So I got a iced vanilla latte with oat milk. First sip of the day. Let's try it. Banana muffin. I missed that. Thank you so much. The safari that we missed this morning, they let us do sunset. So we're here now at the Aquila Reserve, and we ran into so many people from SAS, which is kind of funny because I was not expecting to see anybody today. Look at how yummy this looks. I'm probably gonna go back for more. Should we do taste test?
Yes, which one you want to try first?
The egg roll, obviously. It's pretty good though.
I like it.
Try this one.
This one I'm excited for.
What do you think's in that?
Maybe cheese?
Oh. Mood.
I think mine's empty. I don't know what I'm tasting though. Am I tasting anything or?
My favorite people ever. Day 4 in South Africa. What's good, baby? Got these new glasses, and I was telling Kylie, Amanda, and Tay that I'm in my colored glasses era. She is. We just stumbled into this vintage cars place. I'm the biggest sucker for vintage cars, so this is like making my whole entire day. This Land Rover and this one, literally my dream car. This is unbelievable. Also, this car behind me is now sold. So glad that we stumbled upon this. Bocap was really cool. The street is beautiful, but getting catcalled is not fun whatsoever. It was honestly really scary. Glad that we're no longer on that street, but it was pretty. If a man ever bought me this or picked me up in this, I would marry him on the spot. I'm a coffee snob, and the coffee on the boat is so bad, you guys. I'm in need of some like actual good coffee. That's a popular thing for it to be half coffee shop, half some sort of automobile. I'm craving a latte. What's your name?
Nicholas.
Nicholas. This is Nicholas. He's an amazing server today.
Wow.
We got a nice chicken salad. This is about to be so good. There's two different types of people. I broke my middle fingernail, and so now all of them are short, but they were long. They were.
I got a large fry.
Hot girls get McDonald's after getting their nails done. All right, so we finished up at the nail salon. I did pink on my nails. What did you do?
I don't even know.
It's like an autumn color. It's
Like
super
a
pretty.
copper.
I also did pink on my toes, but I did like a hot pink instead of baby ballerina. We went with short nails today. We're in the Uber right now, and we're going to meet up with Brody, Ivan, and Dominic, and we're gonna do the Table Mountain cable car. This is the #1 spot that people recommended. We're about to do that. Fun fact. Let's take a second and appreciate this view because this is absolutely stunning. I'm making Kylie work for it today.
Damn.
We had the option to take the elevator, but
I just ate a large fry too. You know what? I need to work it off.
that coffee, I already feel it. She's running. She's running through me right now. Hey, whoever left this here, let's not do that.
Bad.
Bad. The floor literally moves as you're moving up. This is insane. I've never seen a view like this before. Also, this is one of the 7 wonders of the world, fun fact.
Wonders of nature.
Oh. Wonders of nature. Yeah, that. It's a cat. It's a cat. It looks like
It's a dog. It's a cat. You see the ears? Look at the pointy ears. Dogs have ears. They don't have
Alright.
Yes, they do.
It's a little chaotic right now.
Little like dots like that, bro. It's a cat.
Hey, actually, it's really good. We met up with our friends at this coffee shop called Truth. Apparently, it's the best coffee shop here in Cape Town. What did I get? Beef fillet. Oh god, is the cow mooing on this?
Get the flashlight out. Hold up.
Get the flashlight out.
Ooh.
Wait, that's not that bad.
Oh, is that the sauce? What's the sauce?
Oh my. Flavored water. These drinks are false.
My beef fillet was fab, but I got inspired by Taste sliders and I ordered some sliders myself. Let's hope that they remove the avocado and tomato though, or else I might die tonight. Tay, you're a real one. Good morning, it's a new day. It is also day 5 of being here in Cape Town, South Africa. I just ran on the treadmill and today I'm gonna do a me day. And the reason I say this is because I have some big news. I don't know if y'all are ready for this. I think you're gonna like what I have to say. Yesterday, when Kylie and I were eating lunch and we got coffee, I put something on my story where I said, I just really have the urge to do Vlogmas this year. The overwhelming responses that I received of people being like, please just do it, or suggesting that I break it up into maybe weekly Vlogmases. I read them all. And I definitely took them into consideration. And this morning, guess what? I woke up and decided that I'm doing Vlogmas. We are going to see how this goes. I was telling one of my girlfriends this morning because she was like, girl, are you crazy? I never have FOMO when it comes to social events or things with friends. But when it comes to Vlogmas, for some reason, there's just something about it. And I think it's because I've done it for so many years. Best time of the year, obviously. Your girl wants to grind and hustle. Yeah! I already thought of some ideas while I was working out. I feel like I'm gonna generate some more ideas if I get some coffee in my system. So that's that. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys the 2 books that I got at the bookstore yesterday. The movie of this is amazing, but I have not read the book yet. And then I love this author so much. I don't know how to pronounce her last name, but I read her other book, Summer of '69. Definitely recommend that one. And this one's called The Hotel in Nantucket. Got these postcards when I went to Boulders Beach, and I am sending them off to my godparents, and then this one is for my sister. It has been such a treat being here in Cape Town, and what's kind of crazy is we actually were not supposed to come here originally. So if you guys remember, and I've talked about this I think in my last video, Morocco, Jordan, and Dubai and India all got changed on our semester at sea itinerary route, and one of the backup ports was Cape Town. And thank God that we came here, because I have never ever fallen in love with a country as much as I have South Africa. The people are incredible, and it's just been one of the most humbling and eye-opening experiences ever. There's just so much more of Africa that I want to explore and that I want to go and visit. But day 2 was definitely a very hard day. When we went to Langa, which is the first township here, that was really heavy. And it's just crazy to see how even in conditions where people may not have as much as other people, they are just so kind and the community just comes together. And the home cooked meal that we had was absolutely amazing. I'm already thinking about it, like I want it right now. And the little kids were so cute. We would just like blow kisses to each other and wave. We played soccer. The day part of today isn't going to be super interesting because I am really behind on a lot of work and I need to get on top of it. But tonight we're going to this restaurant called Gold, I think, and they do like the full African experience dinner, and they do like the paint on your face. You get just authentic meals, and I'm so down to try anything. Good morning. I'm currently at True Coffee Shop right now, and I ordered a potion coffee. I also posted on my story that I will be here.
How are you doing? Oh, very.
Okay, what?
He's like, you guys want to get drunk, because I can get it.
The boat is right there. We're getting one last supper before this 14-day stretch.